This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of the brand new debut of the Saxdor 320 GTC, powered by twin V8 naturally aspirated Mercury 300 Verados. Really a nice cockpit, nice drop down beach platform. Well appointed aft seat, starboard side drops down just like the port, giving you massive exterior day boating space. This door, of course, closes to enclose the entire salon. This boat's option with a 2-burner cooktop, sink, bunch of storage under here, a refrigerator. This table will raise up into cockpit height, additional refrigeration underneath. Both those seats flip around, so you have 4 sitting at the dinette. It's passenger seat. Moving to the bow. Excellent bow seating. Easy access to the starboard side. Big sunroof. This boat's option with the dual screens. Integrated audio system. Down, you have a nice air-conditioned berth. Open concept, very functional head. Let's walk around on the swim platform. Ton of value in this model.